Yeah, yeah. You're looking at them. Two 1975 Chevys, junked at the same time. Yep. 75 Caprice Classic, 75 Impala. And I know these came from the same person, or they were junked by the same people. Both 4 doors. I'll do this one first. We'll do the Impala first, then we'll come back to this one here. Oh, and I'd like to do, let's check out the 3 Corvairs. That's cool. One of those has AC, I know. Anyways, all right, man. 75 Impala, man. Check it out. This just hit the yard. Look at that. Fairly straight, except for that hood buckled. Yeah. Let's take a quick walk around it. Yeah, it's a 4-door. They're both 4 doors, but hey, man, not often you get to see them in the yards like this. What's that bumper? Might be, I think that bumper's in good shape. Yeah. I put that on top because I didn't want to close the deck lid. That's the yard right there. Yeah, man, straight car for the most part. It might have been repainted though, I think. Yeah, this was repainted. You can see it was like an original blue. That different type of blue. How's this front end? His headlight bezels look alright. That bumper looks good too. How's that grill? This trim here's got some issues. It's not bad. Actually, that grill doesn't look to be broken or anything. Yeah. No, it doesn't. But the hood's gone, man. It buckled. Shame, man. Shame. It buckled on that one too. Damn shame. Last in the road, 05. I wonder if that's the same with that one too. Glass appears to be all in good shape, including the windshield. Said back here, taillights. I guess they're usable for a driver. And like I said, the bumper, it's got little issues right there I can see, but good for a driver. Hubcaps. Damn it! Didn't want to do that. Here's some trim for it. Is this for the back window? Probably for the back window, maybe the front. Yeah. Kind of bent though. Some pennies, along with what appears to be a solid floor on this. Yeah, on this trunk. It appears to be pretty solid. How's that? Yeah, that channel looks good. Heck yeah. The deck lid is also nice. Yes, it's nice. It's a perfectly usable deck lid. I'm missing the emblem here. Got the Chevrolet emblem over here, but yeah, it's good. Heck yeah. Take a look underneath. She spins opposite, so you know the deal there. And I think those quarters are actually in nice shape. Yeah. Oh crap! Can you see that? Yeah. Floor's got some rust. I can see. Probably see him. Front end. Yeah, you know, it's all there. It is all there. Let's take a look inside. There's no hail damage that I can see. None at all. Pull this up. I don't see a build sheet down there. Nice bench seat. At least on this side it looks good. The sun ate it up back there, all that area. Headliner's still good, man. Headliner is that ripped or not? Oh, she's ripped right there. Damn, look at that. If it wasn't for that, this headliner's in good shape. Sucks. Oh well. Man, door panel. Look at the door panels, man. That's nice, man. Yeah, look at that. I like that. Oh man, tell you, man, they were smoking back in the day, boy. Yeah, yes, they did. Everybody smoked. Well, not everybody, but you know what I mean. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh man. What is that? Something VACO, I don't know, but it says made in the USA. I don't know if you can catch that. Yeah. Oh well, it's coming with me. Here's another one of the hubcaps. Dash is cracked. Got a little tweeter going on up here. Impala. That's messed up there. I said dash is cracked. Nothing in the glove compartment. More cigarettes there. Aftermarket radio. Old picture that is no longer, recognizable. Whoever it was in there. Audio pipe. What's that? Min-Max. What is that? Who knows what that is? That's down here. What's this? Oh, there's your oh, JVC. Look at that. Man, it's got a DVD player. You play on that? Damn. Huh. Oh, you gotta have a DVD separate, I guess, right? You gotta select for a separate deal. Interesting. Anything else down there? Just while I'm already looking? No? No? Okay. Go the other way. You saw that door panel? Yeah, you saw that, right? Another guy got here and he was looking for one thing that I happened to grab first. I'll tell you that when I look at the other car. But I gave it to him. I was like, man, you can take him, man. Ain't no big deal. You know. Can't open that door. I don't know why. Let's see if it'll open this way. No. But I could tell you, man, that door panel is also nice. Yes, it is. Oh, there's the other. Man, I grabbed this with one hand. What's this? Oh, this is... Alright, sorry about that. Anything else? Anything else? You guys know, right? I had somebody got kind of pissed off saying showing a little bit more junk than what's under the under the hood. And this is my thing, man. I like looking through these old cars just to see what I can find. I already know it's gonna be under the hood for the most part. Yeah, it's that mileage thing. There you go. Probably rolled over, more than likely. Still nice though. Steering column, steering wheel might be in good shape, except it's all sticky. Oh, can't stand that. No. It's a nice door panel too. Well, what can I say? I mean, for the most part, it's someone needed some parts, Stuck under the nicely bent hood. I'm out here in Elmont, basically Waco, or just outside of Waco. BYOT, look at that. 350 2-barrel, 1975. I think. I don't know if you can even see that. Can you see that? Give me a second. Maybe I don't make sure I don't have my. Let me see if I can clean my Lens up a little. It's about the same, right? Yeah, you can see it. Anyways, it's all there. This is for you, Mr. Barnes. Probably not gonna watch my channel anymore. I got pissed off, you know, when I told him. I was like, look, man, it's what I do. I look for the junk. I look for this whatever's in there. But there it is, man. I'm panning it for you, Mr. Barnes. Go. 352 barrel. There you go. There she is in all her glory. There's that HEI back there. I think it's what, first year that they made this, that they put the HEI on there. You know, factory AC car. Oh, they converted. It's a VIR system right here. I don't know much about old cars, man, but I do know the AC part of it somewhat, just a little bit. Get the resistor too, man. They tried converting this over. that's the Band-Aid fix. But anyways, like I was saying, there it is, man. What else to say about it? What does this say? Yeah, all there. Anybody needed parts? I mean, this car, for the most part, outside of the hood, I mean, pretty decent car, pretty decent. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to drop that hood anymore, man, because it was a bitch just to bring it down, you know. So, well, there it is, 75 Impala. Yeah.